Hello students, as in the previous videos we understood about the process of excretion. We understood about the process of excretion in different types of living organisms. We understood about the process of excretion in plants. We understood about the process of excretion in different types of animals, and we also understood about the process of excretion in human beings. We understood that the process of excretion in human beings is performed with the help of an excretory system. Human excretory system is actually an organ system which is made up of grouping of different types of organs. These different types of organs includes a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, the urinary bladder and the urethra. Today, in this video, we will understand about the functioning of these different types of organs of human excretory system one by one. First of all, kidneys. Kidneys are the main excretory organ of human body. It is made up of a large number of tiny filtration units known as nephrons. So, kidneys are the main filtration unit of human body. These nephrons by which the kidneys are made of are actually the main structural and functional unit of kidneys. Therefore, the important function of kidneys are as follows. Number one, it filtrates waste materials and toxic substances from the blood. It helps in regulation of osmolarity, that is, it helps in the balance of fluid present inside the human body. It regulates pH and ion concentration of human body. It helps in regulation of extracellular fluid present inside the human body. Kidneys plays important role in the secretion of hormones which helps in the production of RBCs and maintenance of bone health, and it plays important role in the regulation of blood pressure. Therefore, kidneys plays important role in the process of filtration of harmful waste materials and toxic substances from the blood. It helps in regulation of pH, regulation of ion concentration, and regulation of extra cellular fluid present inside the human body. It helps in maintenance of balance of fluid present inside the human body. It plays important role in the secretion of hormones which helps in the production of RBCs, maintenance of bone health and regulation of blood pressure. Therefore, kidneys plays very vital role in the maintenance of human body. Now, we will understand about nephron, the unit of kidneys. Kidneys are actually made up of large number of tiny filtration units called nephron. Nephrons are the main structural and functional unit of kidneys. There are millions of nephrons are present in each kidney. Each nephron has two parts, Malpighian body and renal tubules. Malpighian body is made up of a cup-like structure called Bowman's capsules, which includes a bunch of blood capillaries called glomerulus. This glomerulus plays the role of filtration unit. Renal tubules are actually tubular structure which plays important role in the functioning of kidneys. It consists of three main parts, that is PCT, proximal convoluted tubules, loop of Henle, and DCT, distal convoluted tubules. So each nephron has two parts, that is Malpighian body, which is made up of a cup-like structure called Bowman's capsule, which contains a bunch of blood capillaries called glomerulus, and other tubular structure is renal tubules, which contains three parts: proximal convoluted tubule or PCT, loop of Henle, and distal convoluted tubule or DCT.